welcome back to my channel. Today is a very long overdue video. Today we're getting organized. I want to start a Notion so that I can really get organized about everything, planning my projects, planning my videos. I want to do book reports as well so that I always have like kind of a little summary and my thoughts on books that I'm reading. I also want to do a few things that I've been pushing to the side because I've been procrastinating them, to be completely honest. Yeah, a lot of organization. I'm kind of thinking through everything that I need to do. So first things first, we're gonna start with a little to-do list just so that I know where I'm going, I know what I have to do, and then we can get started. Okay, so on the agenda for today, from what I can tell you, I need to call the gym because I've seen a payment for this month, but my subscription is supposed to be over, like for, I think it ended on the 10th and it's this 22nd, so I'm not really sure. So I need to get to that because I've tried calling them once, they didn't pick up, but I need an answer. I need to do the save the dates for Lori because she got engaged. She proposed to her longtime boyfriend over the summer and they already have a date, they already have a venue. So I'm in charge of creating the save the dates, which I'm very excited about. I also need to organize the Notions. I would like to do a goals list because I think sometimes it's a bit weird because sometimes when I have a goal, I kind of put pressure on myself and I end up kind of overthinking everything. But at the same time, having goals really helps you to build a plan and to see how everything evolves, and if you need to change a few things, how you're doing a few things, how you approach something. I don't know, like it can be really helpful, and it's been helpful in the past. So, and the other things unfortunately I cannot tell you about, but the list is pretty long. We have a lot of things to do, but I'm thinking that this is going to be my list for today and tomorrow. I also need to edit a video, so that's that. And yeah, now I'm going to move on to watching a few YouTube videos for inspiration on Notion and how I can use it, and then we'll have some fun. I'm so excited about it. Oui, bonjour, je me permets de vous appeler parce que j'ai été prélevée ce mois-ci, mais il me semblait que mon abonnement de 6 mois s'était terminé, donc je voulais vérifier avec vous les dates que vous aviez de votre côté. That's done, so that's good. Okay, we're back. I had some lunch. I made myself some herbal tea because I'm pretty cold actually. And now we are going to move on to the save the date for Lori's wedding. We saw each other last week and we kind of discussed everything that she wants to see on the save the date. And I feel like every element can be found on Canva, so that's what I'm going to work on. She wants something pretty simple but with a lot of flowers or greenery. There's a specific type of writing that she likes, so I'm going to try to find a few things. So I'm going to do a few examples of what it could look like with different colors also, maybe, because I think we're going for more of a neutral tone with a little bit of blue, but I will just show her a few examples and then she'll tell me what she likes, what she wants to change. It should be really fun to do actually because it's pretty creative. That's something that I really like doing. So we're gonna move on to that because I don't know about you, but I always get an early afternoon slump. I know for some people it's like 4 or 5. For me it's right after lunch, like for a couple hours I can tell that I'm not really awake and that my brain is not doing great. So I feel like this is a good transition where I don't have to think too much. I just have to let my creative juices flow and do their thing. It's been a couple hours, I think. I just finished the first drive. Oh, I cannot talk. I just finished the first draft of Save the Date invitations and just did a few drafts, and I've asked her a few more questions about like specific things so that I can change things up. So I'll wait for her to answer and right now I'm just going to do some editing for Sunday's video, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I think I'm just going to wait tomorrow for Notion and everything, because I took some notes and there are a few categories I need to think through, like exactly what I want to do, like what I want to write, like exactly what I want to put in each category. So we'll wait for tomorrow. Another day, another tea in my Taylor Swift mug this time, because midnight is 1 month away and I cannot wait. I'm trying not to wish time away though, but I'm excited. Okay, I'm very happy because I've crossed off most of what was on my to-do list, which is exciting. I continued doing the save the dates yesterday and this morning. I'm not able to show you just because there are some personal informations, of course. I've done several ones just so that they could decide what they wanted. They don't have a specific color theme just yet, so it was just kind of gut feelings. We were working around blue mostly because I feel like that's kind of Lori's color, and I feel inspired. Like I see her when I see blue, and so we were working around that and a few other ideas that she had, and I'm waiting for her to give me like her final little tweaks and kind of the ones that she prefers, what she would like to change and everything. But in the meantime, we are going to work on Notion. Like you saw yesterday, I saw a few different videos, and what I like is that one of them had a few links of the templates that she used to create her Notion account, and she linked them, which is great. Of course, always give credit where it's needed. And so there's one that I think I'm gonna love because it's a sage color, so I'm very excited. They have a few ones. I will link everything down below because I'm finding this so helpful. She has a neutral theme, sage green, pink, purple, lavender. Ooh, that could be cute for my sister. So yeah, I'm gonna check all of that. I'll do a screenshot for you just so that we can check everything together, but I'm very excited. I feel like this Adrian green is going to be the one for me though. Okay, we're gonna put these on before I get a headache. Okay, so it's loading. Yesterday when I was watching the other videos, I also wanted to watch some just so that I could get ideas of like categories, because I think it's really useful to kind of see what other people are doing, because you get ideas from them and like categories that they could have, things that you maybe use another platform or like something else for, you could do on one single area. Like everything could be in the same place, which I think is great. So I think the ones that I want to use are like regular to-do lists, one category for YouTube so that I know like my ideas are in one place. I kind of am able to plan ahead, but also to see like the progress on each video so that I can also work on different videos at the same time. I would also like one category for like a bookshelf, like a reading list, books that I'm reading, but also things that I would like to read in the future. I would like one for projects as well. I saw that you could have a content calendar, and I would be very excited to get that because that looks great. Other one would be like inspiration and affirmation category, just, you know, like keeping me inspired but also like excited about things. I would love some Pinterest pictures a bit everywhere, just like to make it look super nice and like pleasing to the eye, but also like some reminders and some that kind of fits my vibe could be nice. I want one category for goals. I think I'm going to do monthly goals, and I don't know if I want to do 3 or 6 months. I need to think about that. And I would also like to have something for a daily like habit tracker, just so that I know where I'm going and I know how I'm doing with specific habits that I want to implement. Could be really, really nice. And of course a daily planner so that I can categorize like my to-do list on depending on the day. And another idea that I thought was really nice would be like a category like for my future self, like dream life, things that make me happy, and kind of see how what I'm doing every day contributes to my goals for my future self and the life that I'm dreaming of every day, and you know, like see how everything is going. I think it could be really nice. We're going to move on to that and customize everything to my liking and change a few categories, because of course like some won't apply to me, and that's also the nice part about doing this. I'm excited. Okay, so I've clicked the link we have so many ideas. Okay, I'm gonna start with looking at the neutral one, just in case, because I do love some neutrals sometimes, which she's saying wearing red, but sometimes neutral is pretty nice as well. Oh, that's cute. It's so crazy because you can see that these people have done so much work and it looks really, really nice. Like, it doesn't look like something on the internet that you find like something super easy to do. It looks super clean and aesthetically pleasing. Okay, let's check the other one. Sage green. I'm pretty sure this one is gonna be, oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. I really like the layout as well. I think it's super easy to like have everything in one place, but also have like specific different areas. This is really, really cute. Okay, with reading directory. I like that you have the daily tasks and like you can make yourself like a weekly to-do list. It looks really nice, and I love that you can move things around on Notion. I think it makes it so much easier to be organized because I love writing, so I love having like a physical to-do list, but when you need to move things around, like, which is why I wanted to use something online so that it's easier. You can also have the app, which I think is amazing. Oh, this is really, really cute. I feel like we're gonna duplicate this. Okay, we're using the sage green. Okay, so I had to take my regular chair because my butt was in pain. I think I'm finished with like the layout and the categories and everything, which is super exciting. I really need to work on writing everything, keeping everything up to date. Right now it doesn't look finished, that's what I mean. So I think it looks pretty nice. I think I'll change a few things, but for now it looks like a bit more personalized, which is what I wanted. So first we have like the main page. I kept the documentation area because I think it was pretty practical. Then plans and work, I put the calendar, like I left the calendar because I think that's what was there. Then I put the daily category so that I can click more easily. And then underneath I have weekly to-do list, so what's specific for that week, I would say. And then to-do list, like things I want to do, but just things I want to get done. Then we have creative content, like the daily planner and organization. And then in categories on the side, I left reading directory, but I just changed the categories. I put nightstand for what I'm currently reading, and then I put bookshelf for what I want to read in the future. And I just have to like show whether I already own it or if I will have to buy it. And I'm so excited for this category. Like I'm so excited. I think I might at some point create a category for what I've already read and try to do a little summary of it. I'm not sure if that's gonna be feasible because I think it would be a lot of work, but we'll see. After that we have calendar. I need to fill it in. I'm very excited to have one. Very excited because I'm using the one on my phone, but I feel like it's not really the same. Habit tracking. I need to think about this one more thoroughly. I'm still wondering if I'm doing like a habit tracker or kind of something that I want to do every day, like a list of things that I want to create as habits. Seeing whether I'm going to do it as a tracker or not, we'll see. Then morning and night routine, I'm still thinking about it because it might be something like with the habits, so we'll see because there's some good ideas in there. Then to-do list, I haven't filled out yet. I have a list on my phone, so at least I will have an idea. Creative content, same. I have notes on my phone, but also on my computer in an Excel doc, I think. Same for YouTube planner. I really have to work on this and plan a bit more ahead. I'm already more ahead than I was before, so I'm pretty happy. Goals, I need to really see how like I want to work around this one. Do I do a yearly goal, 6 months, 3 months? I'm not sure, so I'll have to think about that. I have an idea of the goals, and for my future self, I might do like more of a Pinterest board on there. Just ideas, not using words, could change a little bit. So yeah. For now, that's my Notion. I just need to fill it in. Won't have time to do it today because this took me so long. I mean, it's pretty easy to use, but you just have to kind of practice. After doing it for several times, you get the hang of it. But of course, at the beginning, it's something new, so it's not as easy, which is why it took me a bit more time than I was expecting, but I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like this is going to be an amazing tool for me and to get organized and to have everything in one place without having to always move around, without always having to switch between my phone and my laptop and my computer. Like, it's going to be so much easier, and I'm very happy. I love being organized. I feel like as soon as you know where you're going, it's easier to make a plan for yourself to get there and to tick things off your list. I think I will do an update on my Notion in the next video, like for a vlog or something, and I'm very excited, so I'll keep you up to date with everything that's going on in my Notion. I'm so excited. And yeah, I still have a couple things on my to-do list, like editing my video and the other things. I did quite a lot this morning, so I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this wasn't too long, or like I'm still learning about it, so could be a pretty long video. Also, I'm not getting into many details, but I will have everything linked down below for you, so it's easier for you to set everything up as well. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.